Hi! Today for blocks we're going to be doing something fun called measuring pumpkins. But instead of using a ruler or a measuring tape, we're going to be using blocks. So it makes it more the fun. And how we're going to do that is we're going to be stacking the blocks up upon each other. And after we got to the same height as a pumpkin, we will count the blocks. So as you see here, I have 3 pumpkins. And they're actually painted. So I have a purple one, a gold one, and a silver one. So blocks helps with counting skills and measurement vocabulary for like longer or shorter. So like the lengths. So we will start with one of the pumpkins. I will start with the gold one first. And I'm going to see how many blocks I have to put together to equal the pumpkin's height, or at least get close enough to it. And I can't build over my head either. So if it starts to get a little too high, I might have to put the pumpkin on the ground. It looks like we have a little friend here. Looks like a kitty cat came to say hi. So I'm going to want to put the blocks right next to the pumpkin. I got to keep a close eye. Oh, I don't get too much higher than the pumpkin. So far, it's not quite there. Does that look about even? Yeah, that looks pretty close. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that pumpkin is 7 blocks. The Lego ones are probably easier to use, but you could still use stacking blocks, or you can use the wooden ones too. Even boxes would work. And next would be the silver pumpkin. Is that close? Not quite. Maybe one more. Looks about right. Yeah, it's off a little bit, but it's very close. So this pumpkin took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks. So what we realized so far is that the gold pumpkin is taller than the silver pumpkin by 1 block. And now last but not least, I'm going to measure the third pumpkin. It's getting closer. Okay, I think maybe one more block. There. And now let's count the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, that was 8 blocks to equal the height of this pumpkin. So can you remember how many blocks for the other 2? I believe if I remember, one was 6, one was 7, and the last one was 8. So they're all not too far off in height. They're all about a block apart. You can also measure other things. Find some stuff around your house or even toys, and you can take the blocks and measure up to them and see if you can get the right height.